reason for failures in most engineering design. Then these are the cases of failure: incorrect or overextended assumption, poor understanding of the problem, incorrect design specification, faulty manufacturing and assembly, incomplete experimentation, then error in drawing, then improper data collection. Okay. Next is phases of design process. So this is our syllabus. Introduction to design and engineering design that we have already seen. Then defining a design process. So the rest of the syllabus is all about this design process. There are 6 steps. The 6 steps are given here. Detailing customer requirements, setting design objective, identifying constraint, establishing function, generating design alternative, and finally choosing a design. These are the 6 steps that is used for defining a design process. So we are going to see each of all these steps. Okay, so in this step we will see what is the actual need of our customer. So a client may submit a request for developing a product. The customer need should be expressed clearly. Sometimes the client may know only the type of product they need. Okay, so a client may approach you with a request that I need a table. Okay. So sometimes the customer need will be as plain as that. Okay, I need just a table. Then the designer should ask more questions to identify the problem clearly and to get a detailed answer. So the designer should ask what type of table your requirement is, what type of table, for what purpose you are using the table, whether it is for studying purpose or keeping something there, or what are the dimensions required, how much space is available for the table. So we need to identify the problem. So identify the requirement, and the requirement should be as detailed as possible. Then only the design will be proper. Then modification of an existing design. Sometimes the client may tell you that no, I don't need any new product. I just need a modification in the existing product. Okay, they may ask to change shape, functionality, or materials required in the existing product. Okay. For example, our common screw. നമ്മൾ സാധാരണ കാണുന്ന ആണിയില്ലേ. Okay, then one customer may come and ask you, I need a particular type of screw which can be tightened only. I don't want it to be loosened. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ടൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ മാത്രം പറ്റുന്ന ഒരു സ്ക്രൂ മതി. അപ്പൊ കസ്റ്റമർ പറയുകയാണ് എനിക്ക് ലൂസ് ആക്കാൻ പാടില്ല, അത് ടൈറ്റ് ആക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ അത് അവിടെ ഇരുന്നോളണം. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു സ്ക്രൂ ആണ് എനിക്ക് വേണ്ടത്. അപ്പൊ എക്സിസ്റ്റിംഗ് സ്ക്രൂവിൽ നിന്ന് ഒരു വ്യത്യാസം. So the client may ask such a modification in the existing design. So that is a new type of screw. Then generation of new products. Sometimes as per the demand we need to generate an entirely new product which may not be available earlier. For example, corona vaccine. So actually this type of vaccine was not there in the market before this disease. So as per the current scenario, they were compelled to make a vaccine as soon as possible. So in addition to such cases, the profit-oriented companies always do research to generate entirely new concept and product so that they can rule the world. So all the household equipment or mobile companies, they always do their own research so that they can come with innovative ideas so that they will get upper hand in the market. Okay. Then comes setting design objective. So after getting a detailed explanation of the customer requirement, the designer should think whether that requirement, whether the design is possible after satisfying all these requirements within the given time frame. ഇപ്പൊ കസ്റ്റമർ വന്നൊരു കാര്യം പറയാണ്, അപ്പൊ അയാൾ എനിക്ക് നാളെ തന്നെ വേണം. അപ്പൊ നാളെ തന്നെ കൊടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ? നാളെ തന്നെ കൊടുക്കണമെങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ കയ്യിൽ മാനുഫാക്ചർ ചെയ്യുന്ന റോ മെറ്റീരിയൽസ് ഉണ്ടോ? അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് യൂസർ ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി ആയി ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ? ഓക്കെ, സോ സെക്കൻഡ് ഡിസൈൻ ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവ് മീൻ you need to check whether that design is possible or whether it is possible to do this design within the time frame. So whether you can design that product in an environmental friendly manner. Okay, so after doing all these studies, then only you can set a proper design objective. So after all those studies, you can see that okay, this product can be designed within this much time frame with minimal cost. So after setting proper objective, you can provide an optimal design. Okay, so for that you need to do some analysis. First one is conduct feasibility analysis. What is feasibility analysis? Process of confirming the design is possible and makes sense. Okay, first you need to think whether this design is possible. Otherwise, the whole process will be in vain. So first one is technical feasibility. We will check whether the requirement can be implemented using the existing technology. Okay, that is technical feasibility. Then economic feasibility means we will check whether the requirement can be implemented within the allotted budget. Okay. Similarly, schedule feasibility. This is the same will be using within the allotted time or not. So these three are the category of feasibility analysis. Feasibility analysis is divided into technical feasibility, economic feasibility, schedule feasibility, and social feasibility. So in the case of social feasibility, we will ensure that the developed product will not affect the society in an harmful manner. Okay, നമ്മൾ ഡിസൈൻ ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ഒരു ഡേഞ്ചറസ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ആവാൻ പാടില്ല അല്ലേ? ആക്ച്വലി ഓൾ ഓഫ് us have got a social responsibility. ഇപ്പൊ ഒരാൾ വന്നിട്ട് പറയാൻ എനിക്ക് ഒരു വലിയ ബോംബ് വേണം, നിങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കി കൊടുക്കൂ? ഇല്ല അല്ലെ? ഡേഞ്ചറസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള സൊസൈറ്റിക്ക് ഹാർംഫുൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്രോഡക്ട്സ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പാടില്ല അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൾ അബൌട്ട് feasibility analysis. But in addition to the feasibility analysis, you need to do some more analysis. That is perform market analysis. Why we are doing market analysis? So suppose actually you are producing mobile phone or manufacturing mobile phone. Then suppose you are going to manufacture a very good camera phone. Okay, so in that case you should analyze the market and identify the competing products and its features. In that case, in order to get an upper hand in the market, you need to see what are the competing brands or what are the competing mobile phone in the camera phone category. There are so many models or so many phones like Google Pixel, iPhone, and OnePlus or etc. which provide very good camera phone. You need to compete with those models. Find out what are their attractive features. Then only you can compete whether you can compete with those models. Okay. So suppose okay. Then after that you will identify what are the supplementary features that may be expected from this product. Okay, so some feature will be not present in those competing products. So you need to provide those features in your